Today we will explore the city of Melbourne, also known as the heartbeat of Australia. Here is an aerial view of Melbourne's skyline with its iconic skyscrapers, Yarra River, and bustling streets, transitioning to a view of its trams and people walking in the city. Nestled on the southern coast of Australia, Melbourne is a city that pulses with energy, creativity, and diversity. Known as the cultural capital of the nation, Melbourne is a city where history blends with modernity, and global influences meet local traditions. Whether you are a lover of art, food, sport, or nature, Melbourne has something special for everyone. Federation Square, with its striking architecture and dynamic atmosphere, serves as the city's cultural hub. From galleries and museums to public spaces filled with performances, Melbourne is a city that celebrates art in all its forms. The National Gallery of Victoria, Australia's oldest and most visited art museum, houses an extensive collection that spans centuries. From European classics to contemporary masterpieces, the NGV is a must-visit for art lovers. Just a short distance away, the Australian Centre for Contemporary Art brings cutting-edge, thought-provoking works to the public, showcasing Melbourne's forward-thinking creative spirit. This is the scene of Melbourne's Laneway, Hosier Lane with street art, cafes, and boutique shops. But it's in Melbourne's Laneways where you'll find its true artistic pulse. Hidden between buildings and tucked away from the main roads, Melbourne's Laneways are a canvas for street art, vibrant cafes, and quirky boutiques. Hosier Lane, in particular, has become an iconic symbol of Melbourne's street art scene, with ever-changing murals telling the stories of the city's diverse culture. Food is another love letter Melbourne writes to its visitors. The city's multicultural nature is reflected in its food scene, where every corner offers a new culinary experience. From Italian trattorias in Lygon Street to Thai eateries in Richmond, from the bustling Queen Victoria Market to high-end restaurants in the city's Laneways, Melbourne is a place where food and culture collide. And let's not forget Melbourne's coffee culture, which has achieved legendary status. Known as the coffee capital of Australia, the city is home to some of the finest cafes in the world. The locals take their coffee seriously, and whether you are in a small Laneway cafe or a swanky rooftop bar, you are sure to find a cup that'll make your day. Melbourne's love for sport is woven into the fabric of the city. It's the home of the Australian Open, one of the 4 Grand Slam tennis tournaments. Melbourne also boasts one of the world's largest sports stadiums, the Melbourne Cricket Ground known as the MCG. It also has ARF Australian rules football and rugby. These sports are more than just games here, they're a way of life. The city's passion for sport is palpable, and whether you are a player or a spectator, the energy of Melbourne's sports culture is unmatched. But Melbourne is not all about its vibrant city life. Just a short stroll from the hustle and bustle, you can find tranquility in the Royal Botanic Gardens. This lush green oasis offers a peaceful escape with sprawling lawns, serene lakes, and a variety of plant species from around the world. Whether you are out for a morning jog or just taking a moment to reflect, the gardens provide a breath of fresh air. The Yarra River also plays an important role in Melbourne's charm. Stretching through the city, the river provides both a scenic backdrop and a recreation hub. Whether you are kayaking on its calm waters, cycling along its banks, or enjoying a leisurely riverside walk, the Yarra gives you a different perspective of the city. Walk a little further, and you'll uncover Melbourne's unique neighbourhoods, each with its own personality. The historic Chinatown, with its lantern-lined streets, offers the best of Asian cuisine and cultural experiences. Fitzroy is the city's bohemian heart, where vintage stores, quirky art galleries, and vegan cafes create a lively vibe. Flinders Street Station is an iconic landmark and the busiest railway station in Melbourne. Known for its distinctive yellow facade and large dome, this is a historic structure that offers a glimpse into Melbourne's architectural heritage. Down by the coast, Dendy Street Beach is Melbourne's beachside playground, offering a mix of sun, sea, and vibrant nightlife. You are looking at the HMVS Cerberus shipwreck at Port Phillip. This is a historic naval vessel that served in Victorian naval forces. This adds a charm and offering a unique blend of history and beautiful coastal views. When the sun sets, Melbourne truly comes alive. The city's skyline is bathed in a golden glow as lights twinkle from skyscrapers, and the streets pulse with life. Whether you are dining in a rooftop restaurant with panoramic views or experiencing Melbourne's dynamic nightlife, the city feels electric at night. While Melbourne's inner city is packed with excitement, its suburbs offer a completely different experience. From quiet residential areas with tree-lined streets to bustling local markets, Melbourne's suburbs are a testament to the city's balance between urban living and peaceful retreats. Melbourne is a city of contrasts, where history meets innovation, where nature meets urban life, and where every corner tells a new story. Whether you are exploring its landways, cheering at a sports match, savoring its world-class food, or simply taking in the views, Melbourne invites you to experience the best of both worlds. This is Melbourne, a city that beats with creativity, culture, and life. Come for a visit, and you'll soon realize it's a place you'll want to stay forever. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.